Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me again, Josie here. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Josie. I do upload videos once a week at least, or every now and then whenever I have time. And on today's video, I will do an unboxing, and it's about a GorillaPod. I got this one from Amazon, GorillaPod from Joby One kit. My old tripod is basically this one, and as you can see, I do have a cable binder on top of it because apparently this is not so durable. However, I only got this for 10 euros, and because of that I wanted to secure my camera, and after a long research I decided to buy the GorillaPod from Joby. You will see the description of this item in my comment section or description box. So let's open this now. Okay, hold on a second. Let's see. So there's basically a manual, but I don't think I would be needing this because it's quite self-explanatory. And on top of this is just like a plastic secure element, maybe, so that it will not move back and forth. And from then on, that's it. So the box is already empty, and what I got is this one. Oops. Here you go. So if you're going to compare it, this is like basically shorter than the one that I've got. However, it feels very secure. The side of it is surrounded with rubber, so you'll have a very nice grip, and you could twist it like that. So I think I will be happy to use this GorillaPod. And apart from that, the most important thing is if you're vlogging outside, I don't want to carry certain objects with me, which is so heavy. I am using a Sony Alpha 6000 for vlogging. I will have a separate video for that. And this is the head of the Joby, and supposedly this should be removable. Let's give it a try if we could remove it. So if you're going to twist this back and forth, then it will allow you to twist the head of the Joby like 360 degrees, and at the same time 180 turning of the camera back and forth. Now if you're going to secure it like that, so it's basically closed already, then you may twist the entire head of the Joby, and this is removable as well as this one, and you may as well install your camera on top of the tripod. So hopefully we could, or for sure we could film a lot of videos using this tripod. And as you can see, this is very handy. I'm quite impressed as well at the same time, and it is not heavy at all. So let me just tell me what you think about this tripod. I want to hear your comment. Leave your comment down below, and if you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.